Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I want to show you the card that I made out of the token that I show how to stamp using the Stamparados. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here on the video so that you can see. But anyway, so I did this one with the Stamparados, and if you remember, I used the Memento as well as some of the blends for this section, and then we use a masking technique to put the hat as if it were on this little bird. So anyway, so today I just want to go ahead and just show you how to put the card together. So let's just go over these. So this one is Bermuda Bay, and it's 8.5 by 5.5. We're gonna go ahead and fold it in half. And use your bone folder to have a crisp, I'm just doing point to point. Alrighty. This one is going to go like so. Then I have some pieces here, and as you can see, I tend to die cut out of the piece that I'm going to be using because it's going to be covered. No one's going to see it, and I feel like I always save more on my cardstock. And so anyway, so this one is 3 1/4 by 3.5. And this one is going to be 3 1/4 by 3. I always leave a quarter of an inch for the matting. That way you have a nice border around it. Then I have already die cut this one with the layering circles at the scallop circle. And I have here a piece of the design series paper, and this one is 4 by 1.5. Same as this one. Now, if you're wondering what type is this one, this is the the Birthday Bonanza Design Series paper. And this one is really, really cute. And I love that on one side you have patterns, right? You can see them here. And on the other one, on some of them, you already have the critters, which I just love them. I am making so many cards with these little guys. I feel like just the DSP alone will be great to have just to make more birthday cards. So anyway, so I'm going to be putting it like so. So let's just start gluing everything, and so that we can put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and glue it here. Let's just make sure I'm centering it. I'm going to put it like so here, like this section. Alright, then I'm going to be putting this one here and something here. Now, I'm going to be using a piece of terracotta tile, sorry. And I'm going to be stamping a sentiment with the Memento. And this one's, let's celebrate you, which I think is great for a birthday. But it can also be for some other type of celebration, right? I mean, if this was a graduation, this will go perfect. Retirement party as well. I mean, it could go for anything, right? It doesn't have to be birthday. And then we're going to come with our tailor tag punch. And we are going to punch out the ends to make a bander end. There you go. So this one is going to go like so. So let's start putting this together. So we're going to go ahead and alrighty. Okay. So, oh, I've not glued this one down. Oh, I actually like this section too. But anyway, let's just use this one. But the other side was also gorgeous, don't you think? With all the balloons. Anyway, I think this one will go great like so. And then have this little sentiment right here. So let's pop up this one with dimensionals. So I'm going to be using 3. Oh. I'm going to put it like so. Perfect. And then this one, we're going to put a glue dot here because it's already raised by that one, and then 2 dimensionals on this section, okay? And this one is, I don't know that I said the measurement, but this is just a strip of 1/2 of an inch. And it's really just a scrap. Yes, that way. So let's just put another one. And then we're going to go ahead and bring a glue dot. There we go. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and do a little bow. And this one is the, what is the name? Brush ribbon. And it says that it's Daffodil Delight, but I guarantee you guys it looks still amazing with the crushed curry, because this one is crushed curry. I don't know that I said that. So anyway, let's just do a little bow. I think it's too long, so let me just do this a little bit smaller. Just want a little bitty bow. Yes. Much better. Much better. Yes. Okay, and then we're going to be cutting the ends. And I'm thinking this could also go really well. I'm just going to put a little bow like on this section. Actually, I think I like it here, you know? I think I like it there. Because on this one, if I put it here, well, that actually looks nice too. So I can put it right there, or I can put it here. I actually think I like it here. Let me see. I'm still thinking. Oh no, maybe there. I like there. Yeah, let's go with that place. And you can see you can just play around where you want to put your elements and go from there. Oh yes, much better. Anyway, so here you go. Very simple, very easy. Again, if you have not seen that, how I stamped this one using the Stampin' Up, you need to watch it, because I go over some tips about how to do the masking and also how to get a really black, crisp image on this one. So you're going to really enjoy it. So anyway, so thank you so much. Again, if you're not on my mailing list, make sure you are, because that's where I share a lot of tutorials and other videos that I am creating for cards. And so anyway, if I'll put in the link, put the link in the description as well, so that you can get information as to how to join my mailing list. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.